Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Totally crosses TV. Big up yourself.
We go find in our
Suzi,
heart. Eh?
want ask you a
Yeah.
question. You know your cousin in prison.
You know something
You and him not talk.
yeah, he call me New Year, did apologize when go on with the thing on Instagram with me. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only time, yeah. I'm thinking sending talk to you too, and talk to Uko too. When me try check it, but Uko say, I don't know about Uko part. All right, go on, MsWong.
You know my husband have to run him well wicked yesterday, Susie.
Yeah.
And my husband friend them in a prison. I forget mad pan him. They know say when me and you have fun and the boy a cuss me husband and a cuss me Richard and me and you depend live and make Richard join me and me run with Richard and tell Richard go suck your mother.
Yeah,
Think can
remember that
style me and my
yesterday.
husband. You remember yesterday? And
Yeah,
after that me and you start laugh and me I
yeah,
say me
fun,
want your
yeah.
daughter,
Yeah,
want your baby.
yeah,
And you say
yeah,
a whole heap of people want your baby. And
yeah,
me I show you Aliyah 18 birthday and we are
yeah,
laugh and we are have fun.
yeah,
We and the people them, yeah?
yeah.
Man send me husband voice note on him
Wow.
phone. Oh, you see, Miss Wang say she on live and a new year now and the woman done it and the woman they on live with Suzi and this and that and Suzi I go get her in a trouble and this me have to deal with him weak. My husband have to deal with him wicked yesterday, man.
Oh my God.
My husband I say, yeah, girl, you see a woman argument that my youth.
You know
Come
to
off
see
for Instagram.
you're
You
there.
see a woman have fun and this and that, my youth. I want them to you.
So hold on there, listen now. I'm gonna show you a look of vibes. I'm gonna show you something. And this why I'm tell us a whole heap of secret me give people. So if me I go put you in a trouble, you diss me and you run your little joke then with Chevy on Instagram. New year you call me upon a number when me not know, right?
Yeah,
And when me answer the WhatsApp, he say, what up? I think him something say, what up? And him say, I'm me cousin. And me say, pussy come off and phone. And he say, no, cousin, listen to me, because I know him a watch me now. And me take time out and me could have run with your money. And he said, cousin, me sorry for deal with you. Oh, you me deal with you a new year now. I mean, he say, all the little joke that when me run with Chevy, I just a internet something. But you me know me strong. Me say, you know, so me dey take it for joke. He say, all when you say, me see your house dirty and you have so food, I just a hunting. Me say, man, me know say a joke, man, because me know everything with that say I just joke. Zina say, me never take it serious. Him say to MsWong, and him apologize to MsWong, and him say him call Uku, and he apologize to Uku. Me say them accept it, him said yes. Him turn to me and say, he should have did me, he should have listen to me. So me turn to him and me say, boy, I saw it going on. We start running like a joke. We start joke it out. Me not go even
yeah,
on. And him say him call whole heap of people name to me. Well, you know that you is a new year, MsWong. Me not go even
yeah,
say you is a new year. Me go
yeah.
tell you, cousin. Me know say you honor that I watch and I listen. And me go show you how pussy you is. You call you apologize to me. You even tell me say MsWong shit husband thing turn up. Cause you say you did a this MsWong and you never know say MsWong them husband have link a jail. Zine, you tell me that. Right? Alright. How me know that? You say you call Uku and you apologize to Uku and Uku say, okay, alright. Me listen to it, me apologize. Okay, me accept the apologize, leave me alone. You come here, you apologize to me, even everything what you say about me. Zine, you say, cause a Instagram thing, a joke me did that make me try to keep the Instagram going. Me say, okay, I'm here and him a laugh on the phone.
Yeah,
Zine, and the man turned to me and said to me, say, him love MsWong, right? And him rate you and him love me. And he say, over the next side, me now go call him
yeah,
name. In ain't nothing with them and this and that and new year and ray. and him turn around and one comes backslide on me pussy. Let me tell you something. War never done out of this. Even if I knew year a girl chat and said nothing, me still a rub them pussy. I that me make you know. So me know MsWong done a blood clot bad girl from morning till a evening. Zine, me can't broke out MsWong. You sound like some little pussy. Zine, you sound like some little girl pick me.
Master.
Really, cause you know that's what I say. Listen to me, man. You do me as much. I know him in a real life. Me never know. Me never stand up front in a real life and see this man. This man, me and him attack him. We are exchange argument and enough to know say me and him know family to family and my cousin come and rectify him and say him a far because we're not a real cousin like say female mother would have known my family, but me still accepting MsWong as a family. But I don't know like close like my mother cousin them like how me they bring the girl cause you need put some allegation pa me, you know, say him I was to show me also my family them also Westmoreland. But true me is not a girl from country now. Me I forget one of me cousin from New York. So my cousin from New York used to always tell me say the way all my new generation spread the legacy at Jamaica. The way people shame out there because our new generation will be scamming them doing buy big house and big car. Me not hide nothing from you, MsWong. So when me bring on my cousin now, cause him did that chat bag of shit, I know two me don't really know the country area. Me can't even talk about my family. But my cousin always tell me, oh, the new generation, how they scam and buy a big car and bike down there. So when him now come and say, I'm gonna show a house and my generation them. Me have to call my cousin and say, cousin, when you go to Jamaica, you tell me say my family I live lavish. Because my cousin they go on funeral and my cousin always go down go to Jamaica and go a country area. And me go down me I go a town. So my sister they go down and come on same country there I want funeral when my cousin did. And my sister come up and say, Suzi, me say we family I live lavish. Me no know where them get money from. So here this pussy I know. I come on the internet I come talk say my house, like a one house. When me have MsWong, me have more than 300 family of blood clot Westmoreland. Zine and the youth them a new generation, the youth them a live lavish down there with scamming money. That are my family. So my cousin have to come and straighten this apart and say, him don't know my family. So if he know my family, he say him I go show. So all of that me bring up to the man, you know, and the man say a joke in that make so the man really go behind my back. Him is a little pussy. Me see him push 2 pad in his mouth and that me I make him know. And bust him face.
So Tuesday upon my live me day last night and me I enjoy myself. And Ozzy I drink we all I drink and me say alright. Me I enjoy myself till not nice for America join the live and say him have him son and me want him son for work with.
Yeah man, big up not
Yeah.
nice.
And one next youth from Maypen, I look at youth join the live and him a deal with him artist thing and me a listening, me a not nice. Ozzy phone ping 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 ping. So Ozzy say who this? I send when Ozzy look. The man steamers or your wife love mix up sir. Or your wife
You know
this.
say a pussy
Your
that
wife
yo.
low this. She depend live with dirty Suzi. This, that. This. And not disrespect. So Oliver say, Oliver if you call him. I say my youth, about the bomber blood clot to depend. Eh? What the fuck you send me message about my wife and this? Yeah, girl? Eh? If you see my wife and her friend them depend live, what you gonna tell me about woman? You see me and woman mix up? You see me a girl? Me a man, you know. My youth, me a bad man, you know. What the fuck you think me a woman? And this and that. So anyway, meantime him up on the phone. Meantime him up on the phone. Yeah. Meantime him up on the phone with Ozzy at me go so bam and add 2 more man on the phone with him. Yeah.
Yeah.
The killy them.
Yeah.
And the man them a say, yeah, girl, me no want you and tell us if don't go back on Instagram and this and load the thing with the woman them a foreign
Yeah.
and this and that. Remember a prison you there, you know, my youth. And this and that, you know. What they you know, Suzi, in frightened when me know him real name, in release date, where him live, everything about him.
So now so the man tell me some MsWong, that's what me tell some me not tell a lie on the man called me before New Year's. And I saw me know everything, you know. And him say MsWong body, you know, MsWong find out everything about me, you know. And me daddy I laugh off for him, you know. I laugh off for him and I say, you fucker yo, Zine. And that, you know, so everything what you do, you say to me,
Because
it makes sense.
him don't know that me and the water, toward the water, the man they respect toward the older water, them a friend. So with Blake, me and him sort it out. Me and him,
So
him call
the
me, him
same
say him
thing.
sorry, and we say
Wow.
alright then. Get back where you get back. My friend them, husband friend them, I'm friend them too. So we say alright then. I must say, MsWong, look there. Me couldn't get hurt, you know, me never know say this and that and you're powerful and your friend them, you know. And me say just done it. And me find out
He
everything
told
about him
me that.
in
He
there.
told me that.
Yeah. And me I say, remember people tell me this boy you know Blake and this and that. Me understand and we sort it out. Him say, alright, MsWong, a Wednesday day I'll get some girl and me come play music for you. Cause I'm the body
Yes, and that's why
selector
me know
in the
say nah
prison.
tell a lie. Him tell me that to MsWong. Him tell
Yeah.
me that what
Yeah,
you
I
are
mean
say. Yeah.
say, yeah, me say yeah, I'm the body selector in the prison. Cause me not tell no lie, I'm the body sting in the prison. Lock down the prison with select. Proper selector out on the road too.
Yeah, yeah,
So
me
me say
just say
alright then.
that.
Every Wednesday, me go on live on Wednesday back again. Get the dancer them, get the artists them, we come enjoy ourselves on a Wednesday.
Yeah.
And him say
I
alright.
say fuck the
Me,
bullshit.
yeah, me frightened no. For say me dey on my live. I go me dey on my live, I enjoy myself now, you know. I didn't voice note there. I say, no man. Tell my husband I say, come like you smoke something in that prison. Because I know you this. Yeah?
Yo, that's what I say. Yo, listen me. Blair, listen, what going on, you know? Let me tell you something. You diss me, may I show you how good my heart is. And this one me tell you say, in time I open my heart to people, people hurt me. Yeah, understand? I'm mad, my bipolar and this and that. I tell you something, I'm not mad. Yeah, my bipolar. And that's what I say. Zine, I'm tell the whole world that. My bipolar because of the things that when my brain me say go through. Whole heap of my freaking licky them dead in front of me. Alright. You this me and you tell the most lie. You say me have all so food. You even one of the time you tell me say you under my page I laugh when me I roll up my foot and I say, Chevy, look if you see me have super food. You say you kill yourself with laugh. Zine? Alright, and we say a new year now, we're gonna leave everything behind us. People don't even know say me and you are talk back and ray cause you diss me. Zine, and me say you see true me is a Instagram influencer and me outspoken, me not really take the only certain people me not really take serious on this. But you see you're looking fishy.
And that me and Susie the funny thing I talk, you know. And we are and after
You a little
customer for.
idiot, your pussy. You know, see me just show me a little daughter when she. I'm going to an idiot, man. We not have no ugly pitting around here, so. And this one me I tell you no. We not keep ugly pitting around here, so one show pitney. I might act like me not a girl pitting the category.
No, yesterday they sent him for me. Yeah.
So not
See, because me no
no.
do you not
Me
know.
tell
Susie no do you not know. I my husband said to him, say Susie
understand.
say, then we was talk nobody never talk about you. My wife a different me. And the man we are call with name.
And
Is the
me
argument
jump
about
in.
you? He said no. So why you follow up the argument and then your argument?
You
Eh?
there?
Remember, I mean not do the man nothing, you know. The man to come cook on my husband thing, you know. And me tell the man say my husband sick, you know. And me call him phone, you know. Remember I know me come a foreign to, you know. A white woman send for him. Me black, me a
And the
Jamaican.
thing is this, MsWong, you said me fuck. You see, this were wrong with a whole heap of people. Zine and that's just the truth. Them always a say me can't hear, but a people first fuck over me, MsWong. Because me
Yeah?
a friend 10 year and 15 fucking year. Zine, when me sit down, me a talk about in a real life, when me sit down on phone and then me can bring up some all-time days thing when me and them go through. Yo, uno just keep on and say me can't tame. I'm telling you something pussy upon this. Uno can't tame and most of uno piss me off. Cause all heap of things so uno do to me. Zine, and me head off a chip on uno. So if me and MsWong attack and MsWong loyal, me believe in a loyalty. She loyal to me and me loyal to her. She no disrespect me and me no disrespect her. Me nah go this her.
Yeah.
And that does the blood clot too. Cause when me over there with the King Kong, enough buckle me fight for her. And the pussy turn around and say, me never blood clot. Me get at me
True.
talk. She never said me, or she say and me never, she have this little dirty weird tab. Oh, me never, nobody never fight on it. I lie a little big pussy woman there tell enough war me jump in a fear and bite out and bad up the thing over there. And me leave physician say me never this and
When
that.
me and you in an argument, Susie, a people, I mean a cuss, I me say
You know,
something, and me and you
this one
start.
here, this one me
Yeah?
say it, and me say it a million times.